Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Smoky eyes is one of my favorite looks to do. So in this video I will show you how I do it and I just loved how it has turned out. But first please subscribe, it only takes a second and now let's get started. For priming my face, I am using this Smashbox Primer Water and you need to see the glow it added. It is amazing, also hydrating and refreshing too. Since we are doing smoky eyes first, I will start with my eyes. For prepping my eyes, I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am going to use Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette for this look. Starting with this lightest brown shade, I will apply this shade in my crease and slightly above the crease. This shade will be a transition shade. I will build it up also. Next, using a little darker brown shade, I will add it to my crease, build it up and then blend it with a transition shade. Next, using the darkest brown shade available in the palette, I will apply it on my lid space, build it up and blend it with the previous shade. Next, using the black eyeshadow, I will apply it to the lower half of the lid and blend. Make sure you take your time with blending, no harsh lines should be visible. This is how the eyeshadow looks like. Now starting with the base, I am using this LA Girl Peach corrector to correct my under eyes. With smoky eyes for foundation, I always like and recommend a full coverage foundation. So I am using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter foundation. I love the coverage and the finish this foundation gives and it is so long lasting. Next, for concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It is very lightweight concealer. For For setting all this in, I am using MAC Studio Fix Compact all over my face. Make sure you set it enough so that your base doesn't move. Using the mix of brown shades on my lower lash line. Using the Faces Canada magnetized eyeliner to create a wing liner and did my brows as well. Using Smashbox Superfan Mascara, this is a very good mascara. It opens up your eyes. For blush, I am using the lighter pink shade. This is my absolute favorite shade. It looks so natural and yet so pretty. Next for highlighter, I am using the Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter in the shade Illuminate to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, brow bone, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose and inner corner of the eyes. For lips, I prefer nude lips with heavy eye makeup. So I am using MAC's Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Burnt Spice. It is such a gorgeous shade. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me in the comments below. Also, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.